What a country. Make una ask me, where is my vehicle now? Where is my car? Today now I throw away my car for roads because of bad government, because of the bad roads. Bad road, bad government. I throw away my car and enter keke and continue my journey. Where is my car now? Where is my car? Country called Nigeria, my mother's land. See roads, see everywhere. One guy asked me, if government want me to cry, I will not cry for them. I can never cry for the government. The only thing that's supposed to make me to cry today, now one guy, he called me, he asked me, he said, Charity, he said, are you a Nigerian? I said, yes, I'm a Nigerian citizen. He said, me too, I'm a Nigerian citizen. He said, why are we suffering like this? He said, why are we suffering in our mother's land? Why are we suffering in our own country? A country filled with so many mineral resources. A country that have crude oil. A country that have so many things. This is a country where so many companies are paying tax to the government, but nothing is working. Nothing is working. Bad roads, no good hospital, no good schools. Everything is bad in the country. No electricity. Our children are suffering. Everybody is suffering in the country. When Fela said, suffering and smiling, we thought it was a joke. But look at it now. This is where we find ourselves. Suffering and smiling. What a country. Where is my car? Now, where is my car? My car is gone. I don't even know when I will go and pick up my car, because until now, until this very moment, they still hold up there. Where is my car? I have to leave my car along the road and enter keke and continue my journey. Such is life. But if government want me to cry, I can never cry, because I'm a strong man. I'm a strong man in the society. I still remain the Lord Charity. Share this video.